600, help one time, gotta go. I'm gonna get 66, 65, 66, 65, I'm gonna get 6 hammers high, 65, I'm gonna get 66, 109. Sold the tractor, $6,500 online. I put in our number. He did the restoration on it, rebuilt motor and clutch. They reconditioned the hydraulic pump and the PTO. The build card is right here for it.
The gauges work.
Now, the original motor that was in that tractor will be the next piece we sell, laying right there next to it. So, he bought that other motor and he rebuilt that. Anything else you think I need to say, Betty? Yeah, one of 249, and I believe there were 78 diesels. So really, it's only one of probably 78, guys. Only made in January of 59, and I'm sure most of you guys know that, and here we go. All right, on the Miss Green 880, what do you want to do here? We're $6,750 online. You got to be $7,000. I'm going to get $7,000. 67, I'm going to get 7, I'm going to get 75, I'm going to get 75, I'm going to get 7,500. I'm going to get 2s on the board. Out online, you're going to get $11,000. I'm going to get 10, 7, I'm going to get 11,000. 10, 7, I'm going to get $11,000. 10, 7, my hammer's high. I'm going to get 10, 7, I'm going to get 11, I'm going to get 11,000. I'm going to get 10, 7, I'm going to get 11,000. I'm going to get 11,000. Are we done? 10, 7, I'm going to get 11,000. All right. Sold the tractor, $10,750 and buyer $353. Thank you. Hey, let's get it. Let it 1,200. Let them begin probably going to 12, 15, and probably going to 13, probably going to 12, 1,500. I'm going to get probably going to 13. Then probably get out on the 4, 13. I'm going to get probably going to 13. You had to be 1,500. I'm going to get 15, 16. I'm going to get 16, 15. I'm going to get 16. Now you're out. I'm going to get probably going to 1,600. I'm going to get probably going to 16. I'm going to get 16. I'm going to get 15 and probably going to 16. Done. Remember to get 15, but 16, fair warning. Remember to get 15, 16, and I sold it. 1,500, I get 27.50. And 20, I'm going to get 27. He's on. Well, I assume he's with the little guy, ain't he? Yeah, 20, I'm going to get 27.50. I'm going to get 20, I'm going to get 27, I'm going to get 27, I'm going to get 25, I'm going to get 27, I'm going to get 3,000. I'm going to get 32. I'm going to get 32, I'm going to get 3,500. At 35, I'm going to get 35, I'm going to get 37. I'm going to get 37, I'm going to get 5, I'm going to get somebody. Don't let that little guy intimidate you. 35, 37. I got 38 with him. You want to be 39? I'm going to get 39, I'm going to get 38, 39. Would have never thought of it. Now 3,900, and now 939. 939. 38 and a half. 39. 39. Hammers high and high.
I don't know how you'd ever get them.
Sold it to him. 38.50 on 257, and I thank you guys. 38.50.